Alright, look up at me. As I'm going out, I'm currently leaving the house.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Hello guys, how you doing guys? I'm alone today with Jemima, and guys, see, okay, everywhere is a mess. I'm cooking currently. I want to cook jollof rice and turkey. It's almost, I think maybe 1 or so. I'm just making breakfast. Anyways, how you doing guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. Currently boiling my turkey now. There is no light. I'm currently running on solar. While waiting for the light, I will just, because I'm not going to eat this now, even though it is breakfast. Today is Wednesday. Every Wednesday we don't really eat. Like we used to like fast every Wednesday. So I'm not going to eat now. I'll just cook it and leave it on ground for like maybe when my husband is back, then I pray there'll be light by then I can use the air fryer. But anyways, this is how I'm looking. Guys, my hair, guys. This hair here is actually a mess. Let me show you guys. Guys, can you see? I don't know if you can see what I'm saying. So this front part is actually like pulling backward, and I think it's going to like make me go bald. Or will I put it? So the front here is actually moving backward, and I don't like that. So I'm going to like lose this hair also, but I don't know if I will have the time because today is Wednesday. I have so many activities for this week. Guys, I was not like I don't really want to start my vlog. I should have started this vlog since Monday, but I don't know, I'm not just in the mood to start the vlog, let me say that. So I'm actually like an overthinker, and anytime something happened to me, I used to like overthink it, and that actually used to affect my output and my input. Yeah, when my input is not even good, like don't expect a very good output. So that is just me. And guys, I'm really working on that because I'm not a mom. I'm not supposed to like be okay because I'm feeling one kind of way, then everything should just show on me. Do you get? So yeah, that is why I'm starting this vlog on Wednesday, because Monday, Tuesday I've just been down. I don't want my life to be like, okay, because something happened to me, then I have to be down all the time, and it's going to like affect my work, because actually YouTube is my full-time job. Do you know? Yeah. So I'm currently cooking, as I said. So I think this should be well done by now. It should be well seasoned by now. I've bread. I'm the only one at home with Jemima, and I love that. Derek is not at home. I have peace. Guys, you know, when kids are not around, like especially Jerry, when he's not around, I used to feel at peace. But after some minutes, I'll start missing him. I know, right? I know it's not like I really want to have my peace, and I also want to have him around. But with the guys, if I should show you the current situation of my room right now, it's actually a mess. Because even if you arrange the house today, like 5 minutes later, my baby is going to rearrange it for you. So I only arrange at night now. I don't really arrange in the morning because he's always like super active in the morning. So unless when he wants to go and sleep, that's when I can arrange the house. And I actually tried as much as possible to make the house neat. Yeah, but yeah, let's do some tasting. I think this is done. I think this is done.
She puts her hand in mine. We wanna kiss the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hi guys. So guys, good afternoon guys. I'm going out. I'm currently leaving the house and I'm all dressed. It's just like a little market errand. So I want to buy some stuffs and yeah, let's go. Let her go. Let her go. Yeah, let's go together.
Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
I'm done there and we're on our way home guys. Guys, seriously, I don't know why people are like this. Mama, like I came here to buy something and it's not one thing, no, it's not two things. Just for you to tell your girls to just help me to take those things to the car. Like, I don't know. All these people, they don't have good customer service. I don't know if I'm supposed to tell them, but
Right, look up at me, look out. You love it, look it. Oh, yeah, look it. Oh, you love it. Oh, yeah, that's enough. You love it, look it. Oh, yeah, look it. My brothers.
yeah, that's true.
She smiled at me a lot. Oh, she's smiling again. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh. Yeah, I feel it too.
Connect to.
I feel it too.
Guys, good morning. I'm just like, I just woke up like not quite long. I made this here I think 2 weeks ago, and look at it now. Look at the front part. I think it's pulling backward, and I'm just like, I don't know what is happening. Maybe my hair is like how should I even put it, like or something. Look at it. So maybe I'm having this hair loss from postpartum or something. So I want to take this hair down. Also, I'm tired. The heat is too much, and if you're in Nigeria, how are we coping? Like, how are we guys coping during this heat? The heat is too much, so this hair does not, it's just too much for me, sure you get. So I just want to like lose it so that I can just have fresh hair coming inside into my body.